Hi, Ed Akehurst here, back with another Genius Pages tutorial. This one will be very fast. It's on dividers. They're found in blocks under, you guessed it, dividers. And there are several different kinds. These are just things you would normally put between different sections. Some have text, some don't. Some are dotted lines, some are solid lines, colored. You have just a few options there, not much. And the thing that you can really edit here, you can put padding above and below them. You can change the margins. But the thing that you're really going to look to edit here is the text. And you edit it just like anything else, whatever you'll call that next section. And then you can change, the font color, the size. You can make it bold. You can make it a different color, that type of thing. That's really all that you're going to be doing with dividers. They can kind of clean your page up a little bit, separate sections, make it look pretty. That's all for this video. I told you it would be quick, and we will see you in another video.